What's up guys, it's your Tito Mike Reyes. Kanina pa kaming umaga, 5 AM pa lang nandun na yung mga riders natin, dala-dala yung mga Mio Gravis nila. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Ako, for a first time driver or rider in a long ride like this at saka group ride like this, sobrang na-enjoy ko. Sobrang experience siya. And also nakilala ko yung mga Mio Gravis owners natin. Kaya sobrang excited. Papasalamat ako sa Yamaha sa pag-organize ng event natin and of course sa pag-invite sa akin. Guys, sobrang solid.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ambassador of Yamaha, Mio Gravis. Let's put your hands together for Tito Mikey Reyes!
So it's very surreal. Hindi pa siya nagsisink in even when we were doing the commercial and we were recording it.
I'm very excited for the Mio Gravis. Lalo na, it was a very organic story na talagang matagal na ako nagpapaalam. Okay. Because again, so I was really looking for a motorcycle that can get me through the city.
What's up guys, it's your Tito Mike Reyes, and always remember, only Yamaha revs your heart. Only Yamaha revs your heart! Woo!